Okay, thanks for coming and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about Laravel again. As you can see in my screen, this is one of Laravel, error in Laravel. So if you found class app Foobar not found, or maybe the other class, or maybe a function or a controller or web root, so maybe you in the right place. So right to code, this is my Laravel project. So I have simple root. I create a root test class and I have controller here with store new function. I direct to this and it looks like normal. Nothing happened. So I have a controller with a function store new, name store new, and I call a simple class here. So if you can see in my code, my class, my controller, my root, it looks like normal. But when I try to access my root, here you can see this class. We direct to here again. Here. Can refresh. This class is going error. Name error, class app, Foobar, not found. Why does this happen? If I can try to track the error from my VS Code, so it's normal, nothing happened. And then I trying to open this and I check the file here is Foobars. So the problem is here. I write the class or the namespace class is Foobar, not singular, is plural. So I need to make sure the name of class and file is exactly the same. So I'm gonna try refresh again. Blah, it's not error anymore. So when you're facing the error is the first thing you need to make sure is the path, the name of class is here, and a little bit tricky. Okay, if you go to the error is here, the error is about the class. So maybe this help you find out your problem about class error. So okay, see you in the next video about Laravel again, and please like, comment, subscribe and share.